Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice. We're here in the Bucket, Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and I'm here to say a public service announcement. Don't forget about your routine and common area maintenance. These are your hallways, your laundry rooms, your parking lots. All of these areas that the tenants access and leave on a daily basis, multiple times. There's going to be dirt, there's going to be garbage, debris, things break. A railing gets loose, a door handle busts off, a light bulb breaks, whatever it may be. Do not neglect these areas, okay? We at Nexus, we offer quite a few of our clients monthly, quarterly, routine maintenance of this. And most of them don't take us up on it. But we feel that it's money well spent. It's no money. I mean, it's money, but it's very small money, to go in there, sweep it out, air freshener, mop down the steps, whatever it may be, and the tenants will appreciate that. And they'll also see that you're looking after their best interest and that you are showing up to the property. You are exemplifying your care, okay, and your motivation to ensure their quality of living. If the hallway's out, if the fire alarm's always chirping, over time they're going to say, nobody cares about this place. Maybe I don't have to pay the rent. Or maybe I could pay it late. Or maybe I can damage it more. Or maybe I could store all my junk in the basement because they'll never know. It creates negative thoughts and negative connotations. But if you're on the ball, if they see one of your staff members or yourself there cleaning, taking care of things, organizing, whatever it may be, then they'll be on their best behavior, in theory. So what we suggest is at least a quarterly, every 3 months, sweep, mop down of the stairs inside the property, clean out the laundry room, the lint balls, the empty Downy containers, the fabric softener, all that stuff. Clean it up. Empty the trash. Do it. Simple. An hour. And then the tenants will feel good about that. So typically, all my properties, I do them about every 3 months. And, it's not too bad, but if you let it go for a couple of years, then it's going to be more than an hour or so. But the bottom line is it's a simple way. It makes a good impression, and also for new tenants, when they come in and walk up to the third floor, they're going to say, wow, this gal takes care of this place. I will pay $1,200 for this 2-bedroom. But if it's all dungy and damp, nasty, gloom and doom, then maybe the tenant will walk away and say, I don't want to live here. The apartment was nice, but the hallway is sketchy. The basement's sketchy. So it's simple. Dress it up, put a little lipstick on it, and you will be satisfied. And don't forget, when you go there for these routine visits or your staff, you might notice somebody left a mattress in the parking lot, a couch in the basement, whatever it may be, so you can get rid of it instead of it sitting there, harboring rodents, getting you a town violation notice. It's a lot of moving parts at these properties, and if you don't put eyeballs on them, you're never going to know. Okay, and one of the benefits here with Nexus is we offer monthly inspections of the common areas, of the exterior of the property. It's included with your management fee. So we don't clean, but we will let you know if something needs to be cleaned. Who's better than you? Okay, once again, Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management, your property and your hallway managed.